Solutions for customers can have various forms. You might have a large customer, you might have a slightly smaller mining customer. They all got challenges and they've got targets to meet, and you make part of that solution for them.
The overall benefits of a Caterpillar CVA for a mining customer comes down to the flexibility.
The CVA for us is very convenient. The uptime of the CVA really reduces our work here on site by letting somebody else organise all the parts, and it's all done by one part number. It's on site, done deal.
Overall, Caterpillar difference that we bring to the mine site, it's a partnership. So having that relationship with the Cat dealer means that we're working to make sure we've got the right parts when you need them.
If we didn't have that parts with CVA, it'd be a lot more work for us, for me, for the planners. We'd have to dig all that stuff out.
The Caterpillar difference is the level of support that the dealer offers, be it the parts supply, the technicians we send out to site, or the backup support from the office.
Customer Value Agreement, or CVA, gives the customer reassurance that their equipment is going to have a high level of uptime. They'll know what the costings are going to be so they can plan and budget their prices. It gives them some reassurance that their equipment's up there, ready to go. They know what the costs are going to be.
We want to get away from reactive maintenance and make it predictive maintenance, so you get a lot more life out of your machines.
The key difference that we find with the Caterpillar brand is the support that they offer, especially through their dealer in New Zealand, Terra Cat. That's been a key part of the success of the Macraes mine over the last 33 years.
They've had Caterpillar on site, I'm pretty sure, since the start, and Caterpillar will be here till the end as well. They've just been reliable, and the support that we get for any of the issues that do come up is instant as well.
Our support helps bring peace of mind to the customer by knowing that their needs are taken care of in a timely manner.
Flexibility, efficiency gains, that's a CVA.